These are the top 5 scariest siren sounds in the world. The last one sounds like siren heads. Comment which one scared you the most. But first, you will have incredible luck if you like and subscribe to my channel until this video ends. Yao's 612 alternate wail. Next is 2T22. Next is a Cap 15 siren. Next is WPS 2910. Next is Civil Defense Siren. If you want to know how many people died in the world's most dangerous tsunami and where it happened, you can watch the full video by clicking here.